Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another edition of the Unstoppable Dynamics channel of taste test videos here on this channel. Smirnoff Peach Lemonade. Here you guys go, and this is going to be my first time trying it. Something tells me I'm not going to like it at all. Something is really telling me. Alright, let's give this a try. Cheers to a long last weekend. So here we go. This is its taste.
No.
Not really. But you can taste the peach to it though. But no, not sorry, not me. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have already tried the peach Smirnoff one and you like it, good for you. Not me. I'm sorry. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'm Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Hey everybody, it's your boy Skiz here. And if you don't subscribe to Juan and the Unstoppable Denominator, then you are a toothy bumfuck, pussy ass bitch motherfucker.